Hello friends, myself Dr. Prashant More. You may have heard the term herd immunity several times in respect to the coronavirus epidemic. So today we will discuss what is herd immunity and how it will protect the people against coronavirus infection. Before that, we should understand what is meaning of herd immunity. If particular percentage of population is infected with particular infection like virus or bacteria, the remaining population is protected against that virus or bacteria. That is called as herd immunity. Suppose if 60% of people are infected with particular pathogen, these people will develop immunity against that virus or bacteria when they will recover from that virus or bacteria. So the remaining 40% of the population will not get that disease because the chain of transmission of that particular or virus or bacteria will be broken. So what percentage of the population need to be get infected with particular pathogen to get herd immunity in the society? That depends upon the reproduction rate of that virus or bacteria. The measles is highly infectious disease and one person transmits it to 12 people. So in case of measles disease, the herd immunity calculated is 90%. For measles virus, the vaccine is available, and if 90% of the population is vaccinated with measles vaccine, they will get immunity against the measles virus, and the remaining 10% population, even though they have not received the vaccine, they will be protected against this infection. So now for coronavirus, if patient is get infected with coronavirus, it will transmit infection to 2 or 3 people. So in case of coronavirus disease, the herd immunity calculated is around 60%. If 60% of the population is infected with coronavirus disease, that 60% population after recovery will develop immunity against the virus, and the remaining 40% will naturally get protected as chain of transmission will be broken. This herd immunity can be achieved in 2 ways, by natural immunity and by acquired immunity. In case of coronavirus disease, if the people get naturally infected with the virus, if 60% of the population will get infected, then that population will develop immunity. And if we allow such large percentage of the population to contract illness, there will be the loss of lives, because 80% of the people will not show symptoms, but the remaining 20% of the patient may show severe symptoms and need hospital admission. 5% of the patients may need ICU admissions, and 2 to 3% of people out of these may die because of this disease. So if we apply the criteria of herd immunity in society by naturally infecting them, means allowing the epidemic to spread in the population, that will cause the loss of too many lives, and the hospitals and the healthcare facilities will be overwhelmed by the number of patients. So in UK or Sweden, initially they have tried on the concept of herd immunity, but because as the number of patients increased and the mortality was increasing, they also restricted the free spread of the pandemic. But if good vaccine get available for coronavirus disease, by using vaccine we can safely achieve the immunity against coronavirus disease. Because after giving the vaccine, the mortality and morbidity will not be there, and if we give this vaccine to 60% of the population, in case of coronavirus disease, the spread of the epidemic will stop, and the remaining 40% of the population will also get protected even though they have not received the vaccine. They will less prone to get the infection. Hope in near future the vaccine for coronavirus will be available, and by giving vaccine to 60% of the population, we will be able to achieve herd immunity in society. Until that, we should follow social distancing, washing our hands with soap and water regularly, and avoiding touching your mouth, nose and eyes with our hands. Also use face mask when you go outside of your home. Thank you very much. Please like and share this video to spread this information, and subscribe channel Dr. More's Health Tips to get authentic knowledge about medical topics. Also press bell icon button and set it on all to get notifications regularly.